Here is a guide on how to delete a TikTok post. So first, you need to go ahead and launch your TikTok application and log into your specific account. Tap on your profile in the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your profile page and you can scroll through your post and find the one that you want to delete. Go ahead and tap on it to open it. Now tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner of your screen and then scroll to the left from the bottom, and there you'll get the option of delete, which is between add settings and manage keywords. Tap on delete and then tap on delete again to confirm. But remember that you can restore this post within 30 days from your activity center in the settings. If you do not want to permanently delete it, you can also choose your privacy settings. Go ahead, tap on the three dots. Again, scroll to the left and you'll get the option of privacy settings, which is indicating the lock icon. Tap on it. Now here you can choose the option of only you to make it completely private, and only you'll be able to view it under your private videos section. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.